I welcome you all for the first video lecture of Internet of Things. So these are all the syllabus content that we are going to discuss in this course. So introduction to Internet of Things, introduction to Raspberry Pi, Python programming, digital boards, LED interfacing, and up to applications. So at the end of the course, you will definitely have a basic knowledge about these 15 things. So the content which we are going to discuss in this session, that is introduction to IoT, what is IoT, home automation and definition of IoT. So let us move on to one by one. So introduction to IoT, that is Internet of Things. IoT is a platform which contains physical objects with electronic embedded processors. These objects interact with each other and it will also communicate to the external environment. So before understanding the meaning of these two sentences, we should have the clear understanding of the terms present in our title, Internet of Things. So we know well about Internet and what is meant by things. So you may have doubt. So things are nothing but the devices, the physical objects are physical devices that are connected to Internet. That physical device may be your fan, your light, your car, your AC, your heater, any of the things. So whatever the physical object that is connected to the Internet is called as things. So now, how these things are connected to the Internet? You may have the question. So, and also, it should interact with each other. How these things are happening? So with the help of sensors and actuators. These two words are ruling the IoT. Without these two, the IoT cannot be done. What actually the sensors do? It will continuously monitor a particular object and it will collect all the data at an instant. And each and every instant it will collect the data, it will save it. So then after collecting the data, it will send to the actuator. What actuator does? It will perform the action which is assigned by the user. For example, if my light is switched on at this particular time after 7 p.m., automatically it will be switched on with the help of these two. So this is what happening in the IoT. And after these things are happening, if it is connected to the Internet, then what happens? I can access with the help of my mobile phone. I can access it anywhere, from anywhere. So how this is connected to an Internet? So with I am using a new word, that is cloud, which is a platform which is having all the access of your physical devices. Whatever the things which are connected to the Internet is saved in the cloud. So if you want to access the device, you can just click on the cloud, that is web page. Via Internet, you can access your physical device. So now you can get a clear idea about what is happening in IoT. That is, the things, the physical devices are connected to the cloud via Internet. You can access your device if it is perfectly programmed. So it will also automatically switch on and switch off. And in the upcoming years, IoT based technologies will offer advanced level of services and it will lead their day lives. So think over the evolution of IoT for the past 10 years. Before 10 years, we cannot access IoT in all places. Only in the cities, in the rural areas, there will not be any provision to use the Internet. Now, after the invention of smartphone, even in rural area, the whole world is in our hand. We can access anything, anywhere, from anywhere. So that is the evolution of smartphone with the Internet. And now we are using the Internet from anywhere. Think of the situation after 10 years. Now we are using, after 10 years, we will be controlled by the Internet. All the controlling actions will be happening via Internet. That is what the process getting started around the world with the help of IoT. How the things are automated without the intervention of human, we can access all the devices. So the applications of IoT is established in many fields. So medicine, power, agriculture, smart cities and smart homes, everywhere. Now the IoT has been established. And as of now, more than 9 billion things are connected to the internet. So billion things in the sense that are devices, electron devices that are connected to the internet. As per survey, it is 9 billion. So now let us take an example of home automation. I am taking two cases. First case, if my home is not equipped with IoT, what will happen? And the second case, if my home is equipped with IoT, what will happen? So let us have a glance of first case. If my home is not equipped with IoT, my home consists of fan, light, TV, washing machine, etc. So I am planning my outing with my family one day, and unfortunately I forgot to switch off my lights. What will happen? You will get panic in your journey, and you have to stop the journey, and you have to return, and you have to complete the process, that is switching off all those things. Then you can have to again start. So this will happen if your home is not equipped with IoT, that is your home is not automated. And if the same situation happens, if my home is equipped with IoT, that is if it's automated, then what will happen? You can just take your smartphone, because all the devices in your home are connected to the cloud. You can access your devices from the cloud. You just press the off. The things which are on is getting off. So this is the main benefit, main advantage of if your device is getting automated and if it is connected to IoT. So now with these basic things, we will come to the definition of IoT. So it is a network of physical objects embedded with electronics, software, sensors and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect and exchange the data. So I think we have already discussed all these parameters in this definition. So physical objects, in the sense it's a things embedded with electronics, software, that is sensors, networks should be programmed, and the communication, the data transfer between those objects are having with the help of network connectivity. So it is communicating with each other and it will transfer the data. So with this basic definition, we will come to an end of the first session.